So here we are in Santiago. My first impressions of Santiago is that it's a lot cleaner and safer than Santo Domingo. Not saying that Santo Domingo is dangerous, but it's definitely less people out on the streets, less traffic, less noise, and that fits my personality more. It's the second largest city in the Dominican Republic. It's very quiet, like I said, and very clean. And if I were to choose between the two, I would pick Santiago. In addition to that, it's up in the mountains, so you get kind of a breeze. So it's a lot cooler than Santo Domingo. So it has those qualities that I mentioned, but yet you're still in the city and you have what a city has to offer. And this is why I'm starting to like Santiago over Santo Domingo. And this is where my Airbnb is at right here. Is this place right here. Very quiet. I keep on saying that because for those of you that have been to the Dominican Republic, you actually know how noisy it can be. Just gonna walk a little bit more past the Airbnb. This is the Airbnb we're at right here. Staying right there. And I'll show you all on the inside later. This is the chill vibe. This is the chill vibe. And the crazy thing about the Airbnb is $200 for 8 nights. Very affordable. I was on the phone with my mother and I was talking about the affordability compared to the US, right? For $200, you're just going to get one night in a hotel. But here, I'm getting 8 nights. Have a whole bunch of food in my refrigerator. Under $100. And throughout the week, we're going to go to historical sites that are free and enjoy ourselves. And as you can see, nobody's messing with me, not having no trouble. And I do speak Spanish. So if there was a little issue, I can communicate. And that's another thing I want to let you guys know. When you travel to these places, know a little bit of the language of that place. You may not be fluent, but knowing certain phrases and keywords goes a long way. That's downtown Santiago that way. You can see the skyscraper here. yeah, this is my first night in Santo Domingo, Santiago rather, not Santo Domingo. If it was Santo Domingo, all of you that have been to Santo Domingo, you will know it's Santo Domingo because how loud it would be. But we're in Santiago, which is a different vibe. So now I'm gonna go into the Airbnb and show you all the Airbnb. Just walked around the neighborhood a little bit, and now we're gonna go inside the Airbnb, have you all check it out, and then we'll wrap it up for the night. So here we are at the Airbnb coming up. My lady, she just opened up the gate there. Gonna go inside and check out the Airbnb. Now it's not that big, but it's comfortable. It has an AC. That's the first motorcycle that you all heard, folks. In Santo Domingo, you'll be hearing a lot more motocicletas. She got my fruit here. Area here, that's the kitchen area there. I'm gonna go upstairs here. We have the bathroom here. The bed here. The TV here. Like I said, the AC here, you're gonna need that, guys. But anyway, that's gonna wrap up for my show and tell. My first night in Santiago, walking the neighborhood and inside my Airbnb. I'm gonna eat some fruit and call it a night, folks.